Welcome to Mas FVTV. So today we're gonna learn math. So you know math? Math is the important subject. So divide is kind of hard, but divide is kind of easy. So we're gonna can you answer this question? I will do a tutorial. Wait for me. I will do. So this is the example. So this example is what is 6 times 6 divided by 42. So 6 divided by 42 is 7. So you write here 7. 7. Here 7. And 7 times 6 equals 42. So write here 42. Then subtract it. 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. So you bring down 6, and if this is 6 or anybody number and everything, and get a number, then you write here 1 and you can do. So this is 6. So you write here 1. So this is 1. You put here 1, then you put here 6 too. Then you subtract it. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So the answer is 71. So you understood it? So you will answer it into your paper. Okay? This will be your part 2. Bye-bye.